Hey everybody, we're here, but this time is a video of Inazuma 11. Yeah, you're going to see the screen of the top, but I hope you like that anyway. So you can see the techniques and all. So okay. Well, now I'm going to show you a few things, but important things. So I think that you're going to like it. Well, wait. If you want to get the car shot, the one that Austin learns, that shot is not complicated to get, so let's do that. We go here. You have to enter to this place, and you have to have Austin in your four that you want in the team, in that team, in the initial team. Well, and you go and you talk to your mom. She only says sorry, I was reading. She only says that she wants an additional plants. So let's get them. They're in this island, and the one that looks like a shark. When you fight versus Argentina, you get this item. So I'm going to show you. Fuck. Fuck this. Uy, almost scores me. I don't have to score, I only have to I don't have to wait, but they can't score me, so I should have got it. I won. Sorry, you have to see this fight, but I have to do it so I can get knockout. Well, later I'm going to tell you how to get that kid, that pumpkin kid. Well, combustion and yeah, fuck this. In another video, I'm going to show you how you can get knockout. So, hope you enjoy the video. In this one, I have to score, so I won. Yeah, so double M. Yeah, we're near. Don't worry, it's here. Well, here. Do you see that? The blue point? Well, that's where you have to touch. Get there and and you get that. But it's only going to appear that if you go to talk to Austin's mom with Austin in the team. So don't go if you haven't done anything of that, because it's not going to serve you anything. So sorry. Don't worry, we're going to get there. So, well, that's all. I'm going to show you another thing. Well, if you really like Inazuma 11, and if you really like Inazuma 11 and you want to see the episodes but you haven't seen it, or Inazuma 11 Go, the first temporary, you can go to a website called Dailymotion and you can see all of that. I'm going to let it in the link in the description, so don't worry. If you like Inazuma 11 or another manga series that you think that you can see in the Spanish, you go there. Well, now I go to Austin's house. Well, first we go to Austin's house. Well, Austin's restaurant. And what you do is go inside and talk with his mom. So he gives you the car. Austin. No. I'm going to teach him that. And I'm going to show you. And I'm going to show it to you. So don't worry. If you haven't seen it, if you don't know the name, but you have seen it on the series, I'm going to show you now. Well, first. Here it is. I just want to do it fast. So that. Yeah, that's epic. So and I'm only going to tell you one more thing, that if you want to if you want to get players like, well, now I'm going to show you. If you want to get players that you can have in the Inazuma 11 too, but you don't get in the story, in the Inazuma 11.3 like this, like a sample like this. Yeah. Well, like this. If you can't get this, well, if you want to get some this form or the other form, like the hidden frost form, you just have to go here and put blue pieces, blue. Oh no, yellow. You have to put yellow, and you're going to get one of them. Well, yeah, that's all. I think, yeah, that's all. So, well, yeah, that's all. If you, I'm going to get other videos, and if you know, yeah, what I said. So, thank you.